Alright guys, so I went to an auction site here in Pittsburgh and picked up this Jet 1221 variable speed lathe. I got it for $315 with all the taxes and fees. It came out to $380. I had to buy it sight unseen, and there was only one picture of the box, and you can see it's a little beat up. But we're gonna open it up, and hopefully there's a lathe in here and it's in good shape. So let's see. This looks to be like a little tool holder. Looks like it's real, as far as I can tell. It's cast. Big ass Allen wrench. Big ass wrench. Alright, so see what we got here. Looks pretty alright. As much damage is done to the box, doesn't seem too bad. There's still some oil on the bed, so that should be good. What do you think, man?
Good. Even though I'm not used to it.
Alright, so let's get it up on the bench and see what it looks like. Get a closer look.
That's what you get big old. The box Daddy called you.
Alright, bud. It's a little rough. It's got some shmoo on it still, so it's kind of tight. Oh, that's better. Comes with a live center back here. Face plate, it's reversible, so it's got the set screws. You can kind of see it there. It's lighting's kind of shit, but the face plate's removable, and then it has the spurred center here. And looks pretty real. Looks like a real Jet Lathe. That didn't get screwed over. Stop. It's got the indexing pin there, if you can see all the different spots in there. So you can push this in. Now let's see if I can get it in place there. You can push that pin in and then screw this in. And it will lock the chuck in place. Unscrew it and it'll pop out. 3 different speeds there, 60 through 900, and then up to 220 through 3600. To be honest, I'll probably just keep it on that one most of the time. But it's got the tension here for the motor. You can put more or less tension in the belt, so that seems to work. Not bad. So I'm going to plug it in now and make sure it turns on. All right, so it's running, and right now it's set to, if you could see that, 123 RPM, so that's pretty low. If I look at this, it says it'll do 220 at this speed. So I hope that's right, and I hope it's not some setting I got to change to get it to run it in the middle. But we'll spool it up and see if we get to the high end there. I have to say this thing is really quiet compared to my old ass Craftsman. Okay, 2,000. It's moving pretty good. 3,600. Got it back down to. All right, so 3,600 is what it's supposed to hit at the top end, which is good. And it seems like the bottom end they're estimating a little bit because it says 220 here. And it's currently running at 150, but pretty nice. So it seems like this setting is probably the most versatile. If I had to turn something that was really lopsided, I could switch over. Kind of neat there. You can, I don't know if you can see it on here, but there's that red light in there. I'm pretty sure that's how they check for speed on this thing. So you can see as I turn this, it blinks. So that must be how they verify the speed on it. So that's pretty cool. Let's see, you got the little door to the bottom end of the motor in here. So you can change the speeds on the pulleys. And those are pretty tiny pulleys. Nice quality though. Those are machined. Those aren't cast like my other old ass Craftsman again. So those are turned pulleys. I don't know what kind of material that is, but let's take a look. I don't know. Not bad though. Not a bad buy. $380. Not bad.